Hey YouTube, my name is Denotra Logan. So I'm going to give you a little secret. People always ask me about my smile, and I tell them that I promise you I do the most basic things. I promise you I do. But one of the things I make sure I consistently do is floss. So here's the real truth about flossing. Of course, none of us want bad breath or gingivitis or an infection. None of us want that. But there is no way just brushing your teeth can get out 8 hours of things that you kept, putting in your mouth, basically. And then we talk all day, like me, talk a lot, and bacteria flies in your mouth all day, right? Because your mouth is open because you're talking. And one of my favorite things to use to get in the crevice of your teeth is the picks. I still use the floss, and I actually go through every tooth, but I make sure I use the picks first, because to me they really get below the gum line, like literally get in there. And you can use both sides of the picks. They're at every store. These are not exclusive, by the way. And when you don't floss, it's basically like putting your clothes in the dryer instead of putting them in the washer first and then the dryer. You're just putting the little dryer sheets in there to make them smell better, but really they're still, not clean. So my suggestion, and something that I consistently do all the time, is I make sure I use the picks first and then I floss second. Nobody wants to have gum disease, so make sure you're flossing your teeth every single day. It should be a habit, like brushing your teeth. You should be flossing also. Have a great night.